What's the meaning of cider? Cider. Cider.
Cider. Cider. Cider is an alcoholic beverage made from fermented apples. It can be sweet or dry and is typically consumed during the fall season in countries such as the United States and United Kingdom. Some variations of cider may also include other fruits such as pears. Cider has a crisp, refreshing taste and is often served chilled. It is a popular alternative to beer for those who are gluten intolerant. Overall, cider is a flavorful and versatile drink that has gained popularity in recent years.